Imagine humanity achieves the impossible. A spacecraft faster than light, an engine capable of traveling across billions of light years. After centuries of exploration, you finally reach what no one has ever reached before, the edge of the universe. You look out of the window, expecting to see a giant wall, or perhaps a doorway into another reality. But what you find changes everything we know about existence, because according to modern science, the most terrifying possibility is that there may not be an edge at all. Since the beginning of civilization, humans have asked one question: how big is the universe? Stand beneath a clear night sky. The stars seem endless, but are they? Or does the universe eventually come to an end? If you kept traveling forever, would you eventually reach a giant cosmic boundary, or would you simply keep going forever? To answer that question, we first need to understand something called the observable universe. When people say the universe is about 93 billion light years across, they're usually talking about the observable universe. This isn't the entire universe. It's only the part whose light has had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang nearly 13.8 billion years ago. Think of it like standing in a dense fog. You can only see as far as the fog allows. That doesn't mean the world ends where your vision stops. It simply means you can't see any farther. The observable universe works the same way. Beyond it, there could be countless more galaxies, perhaps infinitely more. We simply don't know. Now imagine climbing into that impossible spacecraft. Year after year, galaxy after galaxy. You travel farther than any human ever imagined. The Milky Way disappears behind you, then the local group, then enormous galaxy clusters. Billions of stars become tiny points of light. Eventually, everything familiar is gone. Only endless darkness filled with distant galaxies, stretching in every direction. Yet no matter how far you travel, the edge never appears. Why? Because the universe itself is expanding, and it isn't expanding into empty space. Space itself is expanding. Imagine drawing tiny dots on the surface of a balloon. As you inflate the balloon, every dot moves away from every other dot, but none of the dots is the center, and none can find an edge while remaining on the surface. Our universe may perhaps even infinitely many planets almost identical to Earth. Some physicists have even suggested there could be another version of you. Reading these same words, somewhere unimaginably far away. It sounds like science fiction, but mathematically, infinity creates possibilities that are difficult to ignore. Of course, not every scientist believes the universe is infinite. Another possibility is even stranger. The universe could be finite, but without an edge. Just as you can walk around Earth forever without falling off the planet, you might travel through the universe forever without ever reaching an end. How could that be possible? That's where modern physics begins to challenge our imagination. Modern physics suggests something almost impossible to imagine. The universe may curve in ways our brains simply aren't built to understand. Think about an ant walking across the surface of Earth. To the ant, the ground appears completely flat. It could walk for years, cross oceans, climb mountains, and never discover an edge. Eventually, it would arrive back where it started, not because it turned around, but because the surface itself is curved. Some scientists believe our universe could work in a similar way. It may be unimaginably larger than we can comprehend, curved through dimensions we cannot see. If that's true, you could travel forever without ever finding a wall at the end of reality. But there's another mystery. What exists beyond the observable universe? The honest answer is, we don't know. The observable universe isn't a physical barrier. It's simply the limit of what light has had time to show us. Beyond that invisible horizon, there may be trillions upon trillions of galaxies, entire galaxy clusters, stars, planets, perhaps civilizations far older than humanity. Their light simply hasn't reached Earth yet. It's like standing on a beach at night. Beyond the darkness, the ocean continues, you just can't see it. Then comes one of the strangest ideas ever proposed, the multiverse. What if our universe isn't the only one? Imagine countless universes floating like bubbles in an endless cosmic ocean. Each bubble follows its own laws of physics. In one universe, gravity might be stronger. In another, stars might never form. Some universes could exist for only seconds. Others might last forever. There's no wall, no gate, no sign saying the universe ends here. Instead, there's only more space, more darkness, more galaxies, stretching farther than your mind can imagine. The farther you travel, the larger reality becomes. Every answer creates an even bigger question, and then you realize something profound. Perhaps the universe was never meant to have an edge, because an edge raises another question. What's on the other side? If there's something beyond it, then the universe wasn't truly everything. And if there's absolutely nothing beyond it, what does nothing even mean? Can nothing have a location? Can you point toward it? Modern physics struggles with these questions because our everyday experience gives us no way to understand them. The greatest mystery may not be what's beyond the universe, but whether the question itself makes sense. If space and time began with the Big Bang, then asking what's outside the universe might be like asking, what's north of the North Pole? The question sounds reasonable, but it may have no meaningful answer, because outside might not exist at all. Every generation has believed it understood the universe. Then a new discovery changed everything. We once believed Earth was the center of creation. Then we learned it orbits the Sun. Later we discovered our Sun is just one ordinary star among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way. Today we know there are hundreds of billions of galaxies, and we're still discovering more every year. Each discovery reminds us of one humbling truth: the universe is always bigger than we imagined. So, what lies beyond the edge of the universe? Perhaps another universe, perhaps an infinite continuation of our own, perhaps a reality our minds can never truly understand, or perhaps there is no edge at all, only an endless cosmic journey with no final destination. And maybe that's the most beautiful mystery in existence, not that we don't have all the answers yet, but that no matter how far we explore, the universe always leaves us one more question waiting in the darkness.